This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of building Optimus Prime from Transformers. In this issue, we're continuing. I think we're doing almost a repeat of a couple of issues back, but on the other side of the whole torso area. But for now, we shall just continue reading through the magazine, looking at Robo Warrior, Unexpected Ally. Was that the big Decepticon evil person? I don't know. There we go. Trans-Tech. Yeah, the ability to transform, I would expect. Elita 1. Again, not something that I'm familiar with. Decepticons Series 6. More tiny little robots that are just a little bit rubbish, to be honest, aren't they? They're not really things. They're just, yeah. I prefer things that are actual trucks or cars or spaceships that are real things that become robots rather than made up trucks. And yeah, they're not the same. Not as much fun. So yes, this is doing much the same again on the other side. So should be fairly straightforward. We've got to put that together. Put on the bracket, put another armory type piece, and that will be that side done as well. Let's get straight to it. Okay, I've got my 3 screws out, ready to be used. The first one is going to put this in place now. This is going to getting a little bit more tricky to hold and maneuver where there's obviously all the extra bits on the other side. But we'll get there, we'll get there. This is going on there on that side. Like that, and we have a screw. Hold that in place. Come on. Yeah, I've got the screws out to make it all easy and smooth and easy, and it's less easy. There we go. That's that in there. That goes down into that hole there. Being careful to hold it without bending and breaking any of the other bits that we've got built up there now. There we go. That's that. First thing first. Next up, we're doing the same as we did before. With this piece, we've got the little bracket that goes onto the top there, and it's held in place with the screw through the inside. There we go. We've got these 2 posts that go on the outside. That one won't fit that side, so that's this side. Like that. This one will be this side. Like that. And our final screw tried to escape but didn't get anywhere. Is going to hold that on there just like the other side did. That lined up with the 2 pillars. Come on. There we go. 2 posts hold that together and 1 screw right down the middle. Okay, attaching onto that piston this side. And digging out the piston from the other side. Short side down the bottom, that's where it was before, wasn't it? That one on there, and that one on there. Nice. This bit goes on there just like it did on the other side. Just like on the other side, it's really tight. Okay, yeah, that's the next thing. There we go. That's that. And then, oh, then it's just do the piston, but that's okay. And the last bit isn't quite the same as the other side, is it? Or is it? No, it is. It just doesn't really look like it. Goes on the front there. Without dropping it. 2 posts going in. Lining it up. No, only 1 post. Get the other post in as well. Come on. There you go. So there we have that. Ready for next time, when I'm sure we're going to be doing the rest of it like we did before with the other bit that I've already got out the pot ready. So yeah, it's getting there. I'm liking it. I do like it. It's all coming together very nicely. So hopefully you're enjoying it too. Let me know, and I shall see you soon for very, very much more. See you very soon for much more. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.